Michelin's always been at the top of the tire engineering world and bringing the best product to the track. So the ability to get them on the race car and build not only the performance on the track, but also that partnership was a huge boost to the program, and I think really has enabled a lot of success on track for us.
When you go through and look at the history, they won every major sports car race in North America, as well as the 24 Hours of Le Mans many times on the Michelin products, and then ultimately leads into the track-to-street connection.
GM's goal is always to have track-to-street technology transfer, and both ways. The tire has been one of the obvious examples of that.
We're able to develop street car tires using the race car technology, and I'm certain that Corvette and the guys at Pratt Miller do exactly the same thing.